Greetings YouTube. In this video I will be showing you how to print my latest structure from this book by Edmund Vincent Gillen Jr. It's virtually the same on every side. Okay, so first up to print we have the four walls. Now, they are slightly different. Well, they're two different versions. There's this one that has a little more fancy thing over the door, and there's this one that has a little more plain over the door. Here it shows in the original how this one, these two are more simple, and these two are the more fancy version. So there are four colors that the wall prints in. Color 1 is the white here for the trim. Color 2 is the black, which is a layer. That is so that if you want to light this at night, the light won't shine through the lightly colored walls. And then color 3 is this yellowish color here for the siding. And then color 4 is the blue I've got here for the door. Okay, the walls are designed to glue together like this. If you'll notice that there is only trim, the white trim is only on one side, not the other. So it's designed to go like that. And you'll probably want to go ahead and sand this edge to be a little more smooth. All right, here is what the four walls look like glued together. So this part is the base. It just prints in two colors. There's this lower the floor and the walls basically. And then this sits just like that. The second floor is almost exactly like the first floor, only it doesn't stick out as far on the bottom. So it can go down like that. And it can be printed in two colors as well, but I did not. I just printed it all in white. Okay, so the most complicated time-consuming print is the roof, and it goes in four colors. We've got this brown, the shingle color, and then we've got the siding color here, the yellow, and then we've got a black, and then the brick color. I have, since this is printed, I have redone the chimneys so they look a little better. And then there are windows and trim, which consist of 4 windows and these 2 little trim pieces. The windows just go right there like that, and then the trim pieces go right there. And somewhere around here is where I'm planning on having it on the layout, right next door to the Frank Lloyd Wright house. And another house from the book is going to go right here. Well, that's about it. Good luck printing it, and post below if you have success or questions. Thanks. See you in the next video.